Hi guys, welcome to DonEuro Manila, and we are here to present to you another project that has been done. So we converted this stock RS Turbo to Honda Civic SI look. So what we did is we changed the bumper, we changed the rear bumper, and also we painted the parts from back to rear, and he will just convert the rear bumper into a new exhaust. The exhaust is done by CRL Performance, Sir Kyle, shout out. And there you go. This is the new look of the Honda Civic SI for Honda Civic SC. So guys, if you are interested to have your bumper done here at DonEuro Manila, you can message us on Facebook, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube also. Just message or call us on our hotline number 0917-858-8565. Thank you so much.